Hey guys, I'm HB. This is Dr. Pink, and today I'm going to talk about Sweet Home Chicago as played in the movie The Blues Brothers. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy guitar community with a free member account to get my newsletter and my news feed, or with a premium member to download all stuff which comes along with the tutorial. So, what are we talking about for those who don't know the song? And so on. So we're going to talk about the intro, which is the most iconic part of it. We talk about the form and the rhythm guitar which is played and a few solo ideas. So it's going to be an extended tutorial. We start with the intro, which is really cool. Alright guys, in this version of the Sweet Home Chicago, it's played in E, and so the intro is an intro in E. Starts here in the 12th fret and the 10th, so and you're playing triples, so 1 2 3 1 2 3, so 1 2 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1, so 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then you go here to 10 9, so 1 2 3 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, and then second time you move this down to the 7th fret and then open string, so and then 1, and then again triplets here, 4 is on count 2, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then here 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then at the end only 1st fret on the G string, and then just attack, and ended up with open A string 0 1 2. So very slow is like this. So 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 4. On 4 you make a dead note. So that was really slow. The problem is it's 120 BPM. So I'll show you 1 2. So that's the intro, 120 BPM. I didn't do a warm-up, but I wasn't sure if I hit all the strings right. If it's too fast for you, 120 BPM, just play it slower. I mean, not every version has to be 120 BPM. So and then comes the rhythm guitar, which is normal 12-bar blues in E. So we're playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So E5 here, 2nd fret on the A string, and 4th fret on the A string. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And when you change to another chord, as in the 2nd bar, you play damped, palm muted. And on 4 and you change and you make an attack in the empty strings 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you change the chord, you make this, you just turn out your hand like this and remove the damping to give this extra kick. When it's played fast, it has a really cool effect. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and we make that again, 7, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and on the fourth bar we have 0, 2, 3, 4, just this phrase up, and then we go to A5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can also make it when you have 2 bars of A, you can play like you just remove this with twisting your angle and giving this extra kick. So we have 1 bar E, 1 bar A, 2 bars E, and on the second bar we have this little figure up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then it goes to A. Then we have a B5, 2nd fret, 4th fret, pinky goes in the 6th, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And again, when you change, you make the same method again. And now, when we're going back to E, you just, same as in the intro, on 1 the E, 1, 2, and then you play this part of the intro again. Okay, so I'm gonna play the intro plus the first chorus. Works pretty cool. Okay, so in the original we have a horn section. We can imitate the horn section, so the lyrics are like this: come on, maybe don't you wanna go, and then it comes home, come on, baby don't you wanna go. You just make this fill in here. Here, 5, 3, 4. And the rest stays the same. I'm going to show you with the intro. 1, 2, 3. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Yeah, so sorry for my singing, I just wanted to show how it works. Okay, then this is played 2 times, and then comes a thing with a break. It's really simple. After 2 chorus, you have the 1 is 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is 2, 6, 2 is 8, baby down. You just make stops on 1 and the rest stays exactly the same. I'm gonna show you here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. By the way, that's me playing piano. I started my career, believe it or not, as a boogie-woogie piano player. Yo. Okay, so, I mean, you don't need to play the horn section, and on the original recording you have other types of guitar fill-ins. You can do that, of course, but I just want to show you a version which you can just play the song in a band, and basically the intro is the most important part, and the rest you just play normal blues rhythm and blues rhythm guitar, like which is this, which I just showed. Okay, so when it comes to when you want to do a solo, that's basically how it works. Okay, if you want to do a solo, the tempo is pretty fast. You can do something which is similar to the intro, like and then continue here with the E minor pentatonic, something like this, and this here. Let me quickly go here. I'll show you. Oopsie, I just missed it. Yeah, something like this would work, I would say. So you start with the intro. Then to the open string. And then all in triplets, and then 0 0 on E and B string, and then on 3 2. All in triplets works really great. And this gives you the opportunity to give you real pressure in your soloing here. And then also this lick is nice. Also triplets. Triplets are 3 notes per beat. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can use this as a repeating pattern, and then also probably go in this. Also here, 5, 3 as a double stop. You can do this any way you like. I mean, it's not really a rule, but I would recommend stuff like that. And that's it. One chorus solo is pretty cool. So you basically play triplets all through. You can take anything which you know. I will not really play single note lines because I show you it doesn't really sound cool. See, there's no pressure. You don't really have this pressure as when you do the double stops in triplets as lettering effects. So I really recommend that. But you can of course do whatever you want. I mean, it's not part of the tutorial. As I said, there are several guitars on the original recording, but I would recommend this type of soloing, and really the easy way. Also down here it's really easy. Pull off 1, 2. The only problem is it's 120 BPM. It's quite fast. But, it's cool. Yo guys, that was Sweet Home Chicago. All important parts you need to know. Well, skip the singing. I just demonstrated how the song works, of course. And the soloing, you can do, as I said, you can do whatever you want. But I really would recommend to do stuff which I showed. But it's not really part of the original song to do exactly that, but just some ideas. I mean, I played in a rock and roll band, for a professional one, for a few years, so I know what really works on stage. And I tried other things; they don't work. This stuff works. You can also sit just on one and play one chorus, and just look excited that when you play that. That's also cool. Yo. One more to say, if you want to download the tabs which I wrote for you and the backing track which I played for you, as I said, I played the piano on this one. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there with a premium member account to download all stuff. But also join with the free member account to join all discussions and also see my news feed and all my activities as a musician and artist. Good, me and Dr. Pink. or saying goodbye.